Hello, my name is Lee Woodward, and this is my friend Heather Nichols, and we're from Revealing the Heartbeat of God. Now, we have an exciting workshop coming up based on our prophetic senses. And it is a paid event. It has 3 price ranges that everyone can come, but for more details on that, check out our page. Now, Heather, what do we have planned?
All right, we are so excited because we're going to be focusing on our 5 senses. So, five senses. And first, it's going to be seeing how every day God is speaking to our everyday objects around us. The next one is going to be hearing. How can we hear God speak to us again? Maybe through song lyrics and things like that. The next one is our touch receptors. God is often speaking to us through our senses that we can actually feel. Another way is through taste and even smell. So God is always speaking to us, and we are so excited to do this very interactive workshop together. And I actually had a picture. I really felt like God was showing us that we're going to be leaping over hurdles, and people are going to get extend their tent pegs for this. So get excited. It's going to be a very encouraging time, and we really look forward to seeing you there. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.